Are you ready to dive into the world of sleek design and impressive performance? Today, we've got a treat for you as we take a deep dive into the ASUS VivoBook 15, a laptop that's not just a machine, but a powerhouse of innovation. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who demands excellence from their tech, this review will give you the lowdown on everything you need to know about the VivoBook 15, which is linked in the description. So, buckle up, because we're about to embark on a journey through its screen sizes, processors, storage options, and so much more. The VivoBook 15 comes in 3 color options, and with the 15.6 inches Full HD display that is vibrant colors and impressive clarity, which offers a great balance between productivity and portability, making your visuals pop whether you're working or streaming your favorite movies. Under the hood, the VivoBook 15 offers the 11th, 12th, and 13th generation of the Intel i3, i5, i7, and i9 processors, as well as the AMD Ryzen 4 600H to 7730U processors. This ensures that whether you're tackling complex tasks, running resource-intensive software, or even light gaming, the VivoBook 15 has the processing power to handle it all seamlessly. When it comes to memory, the VivoBook 15 doesn't disappoint. You can configure your laptop with various RAM options, starting from 8GB to 24GB DDR memory. This means smoother multitasking and faster performance across the board. Storage-wise, the VivoBook 15 offers a blend of speed and capacity. With SSD storage options ranging from 256GB to 1TB, you'll experience lightning-fast boot times and quick application launches. Additionally, there's a secondary HDD option for those who require extra storage space for their files, projects, and media. While the VivoBook 15 is more focused on productivity, it still offers the AMD Radeon and Intel Iris Xe graphics cards, although the latter requires the more advanced processors, resulting in an increased cost. This provides a significant boost in graphics performance, making photo and video editing tasks a breeze. No one wants a laptop that dies on them halfway through the day. With 5.5 to 7 hours, depending on the type of use, the VivoBook 15 boasts impressive battery life, allowing you to work, create, and entertain on the go without constantly hunting for a power outlet. The laptop comes equipped with a versatile selection of ports, including one USB 2.0 Type A, 2 USB 3.2 Type A, one USB 3.2 Type C, HDMI, and a 3.2mm audio jack. This ensures that you can connect all your devices and accessories without any hassle. Staying connected is crucial, and the VivoBook 15 offers excellent wireless capabilities with its Wi-Fi 5 plus Bluetooth 5.1 or Wi-Fi 6 plus Bluetooth 5.3 support. Unfortunately, 5G cellular data is not offered at this time. In the era of virtual meetings, the VivoBook 15's HD camera ensures you're seen clearly during video calls. Combined with ASUS's superior audio technology, your voice comes across crisp and clear, minimizing background noise. One standout feature is the ergonomic keyboard with decent key travel, making typing a joy even during long work sessions. The VivoBook 15 does have the ASUS Microbial Guard Plus that is applied to frequently touched areas to help keep it hygienic. Additionally, the laptop's sleek design and slim profile make it easy to carry around and add a touch of style to your tech setup. Speaking of portability, the VivoBook 15 strikes a balance between screen real estate and portability. At 14.16 inches wide, 9.15 inches deep, 0.78 inches thick, and 3.75 pounds, it is ideal for those who need to be on the move while still enjoying a spacious display. In terms of pricing, the VivoBook 15 offers a range of options from $370 to around $1,200. You'll find configurations that deliver fantastic value for the performance and features they offer. I am linking what I think is the best balanced configuration in the description. The pros include powerful processor choices, ample RAM and storage configurations, discrete graphics option, impressive battery life, diverse port selection, cutting-edge wireless capabilities, clear camera and audio quality, sleek and portable build, and competitive pricing. The cons are limited gaming capabilities compared to dedicated gaming laptops, and heavier than some Ultrabook alternatives. And there you have it, the ASUS VivoBook 15, a true workhorse that combines performance, style, and versatility into one sleek package. Whether you're crunching numbers, editing videos, or simply enjoying your favorite content, the VivoBook 15 is ready to elevate your experience. Remember, technology is all about finding that perfect balance, and the VivoBook 15 strikes it beautifully. Product link is in the description. If you found this video helpful, please share it. Don't forget to hit the like button, ring the notification bell, and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. Thanks for tuning into Creative Verge, where smart choices begin.